Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the second day of my Get Flued Out series, which is of course another Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, so let's get right on into it. Okay, so what to do. I decided to use the Colourpop Through My Eyes palette, which is in collaboration with Iluvsarahii. I first took the shade Nostalgia and I put it all over my transition zone. So next I went into that deeper pink shade and I focused that more so in the crease. I then whipped out my Dose of Color Snow Angels palette, went into that middle shade and pushed that into the crease as well. As you can see, I'm using a smaller brush just so I can get into those small spaces, and then I took a blending brush to blend that all out. Next, I used my Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Maple to cut that crease. And then back in the Through My Eyes palette, I took that deeper purple shade and put that in the outer corner of my eye. Next, I went into this reddish pinkish shimmer shade and I'm just going to push that towards the edge of my eye as well, leaving about half of my eye open. And here I'm just checking myself out and making sure she even, because like that's my struggle. Alright, so I dipped into this like nude pink shade and I put that everywhere where there was still concealer. Next, going in with my Fenty eyeliner in the shade Cause I'm Black, I'm just going to line my upper lash line. I then took a makeup remover wipe just to remove any fallout that I got through this process. Alright, so the base. I started out using my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer to prime my face. And then I used, I think, MAC Studio Sculpt in the shade NC50 as foundation. Next, I'm going in with my Born This Way concealers in the shade Maple and Butterscotch to highlight my face. And now I'm using this shade in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette to contour my face. Next, with my Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Banana, I'm setting underneath my eyes so she doesn't move anywhere. And then I'm going back into the Through My Eyes palette, that deep shade, and I'm putting that on the lower lash line. I'm basically just smudging it. And then I'm going back into Nostalgia and just blending that out to create that nice ombre effect. And then I'm wiping away the setting powder that I had still sitting on my face while I did that. And then I'm going to go over my base with the Sephora Microsmooth powder just to make sure everything looks like it's one. And I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Mahogany. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills X Amrezy Highlighter and I'm just popping some of that on my cheeks, well, above my cheeks, and then I popped a little bit on my nose as well. Now I'm taking my good old faithful, my matte Cork Lip Liner and lining my lips. And then I pulled out this Pat McGrath Lust Gloss. I forget the name of the shade, but I just popped that on my lips. And I just needed a little bit something more. I wanted some more color, so I went in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade In Between and just put a little bit on there just to give it a little bit more color. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I will see you all in the next one.